Hi, to enable and disable RCS chats on your Samsung Galaxy S25, as a first step, you need to make sure that SIM card is inserted in the phone. And now find and open your Google Messages app. After that, you should tap on the circle, which is actually your profile icon. And from here, choose Messages Settings. And then on the top, you would see RCS chats. So here we can firstly turn off RCS chats because mine was enabled. So when we'll try to turn off RCS chats, those features would be unavailable. So high quality photos and videos would be unavailable. RCS group chats, read receipts, type in indicators, messaging with Wi-Fi or data, and messaging with Gemini. And also you will be removed from all RCS group chats after 30 days. So if you wanna disable RCS chats, then tap here to turn off. If you wanna enable RCS chats, then tap on the switcher, and after that you should see your phone number with the status connected and those additional features which you can manually enable or disable. Let's enable this one, automatically resend as text. So here tap allow, and now it is enabled. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.